Well, thank you, Dean Ederhauser, for inviting me over to your health assessment lab for our conversation today. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, great to have you here.
Vicki, I'm doing these interviews with the deans, and I must admit this is the most unusual setting we've done for one of these interviews. Tell me about this laboratory here.
So this laboratory, we typically would have maybe a group of 8 students with 1 faculty that are assigned to these 3 beds, and they'll come in, the students will come in and the lab will be prepared and they'll learn skills. We do a lot of this type of learning, experiential learning in nursing, and so this lab is transformed every day into something different.
During your tenure as dean, the number of nursing students has increased dramatically, has it not?
Yes.
Tell me about that, and tell me about how many students you have now.
So nationally, as well as in Tennessee, we're facing a critical nursing shortage. And so one of the things that we did at the University of Tennessee, Knoxville here is felt like we needed to step up to the plate and try to mitigate that shortage in whatever way we could. So when I started, we had about, back in 2011, we had about 480 students, and this fall we had 924.
Wow, almost doubled.
Almost doubled, and we're planning on getting to over 1,200 in the next few years.
What an opportunity to have such a huge impact on the state of Tennessee. I mean, this is what we are about as a university, as a land-grant university, the impact on the state. So talk about this building and plans for the future and ways we're going to be able to accommodate these students to provide the education they deserve.
So right now we live in 42,000 square feet. And this building was built over 40 years ago when there was about 200 nursing students.
Wow.
And so maybe about 30 nursing faculty. We're up to close to 100 nursing faculty now, and as I said, 924 students this fall. So what we are hoping for and planning for is to really double the size of our building, to renovate this current building and then build on to the back.
So recently you got a very generous gift to help with that building project, didn't you? Could you tell us about that?
Yes, a transformational gift.
Right.
We received a commitment to $7.5 million.
Wow.
$5.5 million will go towards our building, which will really propel our building campaign. We're hoping to raise about $10 million. And then the other $2 million endowed the Dean's Chair.
You've been here now, Dean, almost 10 years, close to 10 years. You're a volunteer, but what does that mean to you?
For me, I think it goes back to having the torchbearer right outside of the College of Nursing, and the motto, and I may not quote it completely correctly, but standing in the shadow to give light to others.
Oh, that's right.
And that resonates so much with me, as well as what we do in nursing.
Right.
And so I think being a volunteer is giving light to others.
Absolutely. Thank you for taking the time today to sit down with me. This has been a fascinating discussion. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you so much for coming over and learning about the College of Nursing.